Hello, welcome again. This is Achille Songa Lab. Please subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any video from this channel. Today I'm back in basics in Kinyarwanda. Last time we learned about the alphabet in Kinyarwanda, that's the reason for beginners, and today we're going to talk about basics in Kinyarwanda. If I say basics, you should understand the greetings, welcoming people, and even important conversations. Yeah, we will see about that in this lesson. Let's start. We will start with greetings in the morning. You know, the morning, noon, and even evening. We have different ways to greet people or talk to people. When it's the morning in Rwanda, we say mwaramutse, mwaramutse. You can call it good morning in English. Say mwaramutse. You can see here we have the how we reply. When someone tell you mwaramutse, you say yego, which means yes, or even you reply with mwaramutse. It means good morning. Or you can say igitondo cyiza, which also means good morning, but that's not common in people. So another greeting is bite. Bite can be used in any time of the day. Vite, or it's hi or hello. How was your night? It means what are you te? How was your night, or ijoro ryawe ryagenze rite? You can also say umeze ute, or how are you? Umeze ute, it means how are you. Or when someone tell you umeze ute, you reply meze neza wowe, which means I'm good. You, it means you say meze neza wowe. This wowe means you, and this is meze neza means I'm good. Umeze ute is how are you. And what are you te, when someone tells you what are you te, you reply neza, which means good or bad, but it's not used. No one say bad, everyone say it's good. When someone tells you bite, you reply with ni byiza or it's good, and no one also reply with ni bibi or it's bad. Many people, even when the night was too bad, he or she doesn't say it. They always say it's good, but I don't think it's good or bad, but that's how it is. Well, okay, that was the greetings in the morning. We saw mwaramutse, bite, what are you te, umeze ute, or when you are wishing someone a good day or a great day, say umunsi mwiza, which means have a good day or a great day. Umunsi mwiza. This is when you are wishing someone to have a great day. Okay, I think that's all for the morning. Let's go to the noon. When it's like 12 p.m. or 11 p.m. or like 13, we say mwiriwe, which means how is your day, mwiriwe, or how are you doing in your day. We reply yego, I'm doing good. Yeah, you mean you are doing good, or you reply also mwiriwe. I told you can also say bite in the middle of the day because it is used at any time of the day, bite, and you reply with ni byiza. Can also say umeze ute, or how are you, can use it anytime in the day. Or murabeho, which means bye. When you are parting with someone and you say murabeho, it means have a great day, stay safe, or even bye. That's murabeho. And you say mwiriwe, bite, umeze ute, murabeho. These are greetings that can be used at any time in the noon. And don't worry if you can't read it. I'm telling you how to read it, and next time after we finish learning about reading and writing, you will be able to read all of them, and you can even write them. Don't worry. So let's go to the evening. Greetings in the evening or nights are somehow the same, because in the evening when you meet with someone, you can say mwiriwe or wiriwe. When you say mwiriwe, you respect that person, it's polite. It also means how is your day. You can also say bite. I told you it used at any time. And you say umeze ute, how are you? I told you. You reply meze neza wowe or I'm good, you. In the evening you can also say umugoroba mwiza. Umugoroba mwiza, it means good evening, or even ijoro ryiza, which means good night. You can also say muramuke when you are parting with someone. It means good night or bye or stay safe. Yeah, muramuke, ijoro ryiza, umugoroba mwiza, umeze ute, bite, mwiriwe. When you tell someone umugoroba mwiza or ijoro ryiza, they reply you too or nawe. You can see here. When you say ijoro ryiza, they reply with nawe or you too. Yeah, umugoroba mwiza, that's the same. Umeze ute, they reply meze neza wowe. And bite, they reply it's good. And that's all for the evening. Let's go to welcoming people. When someone is coming to your home, how you welcome them. When you're welcoming someone, you say murakaza neza or murisanga, but the most common used word is murakaza neza, which means welcome. Murakaza neza or bienvenue in français. Okay, murakaza neza, it means welcome in English. So I think that's not hard, it's easy. Murakaza neza, welcome. Let's go to important conversations. Important conversations are the one that they are used in your life many time. So I can say muraho. It also used as a greeting, but it's mostly used for people that you haven't seen in a long time. When someone been a long way from you, you can tell them muraho to ask them about how they were. That's it. How it means how have you been? Muraho. How have you been? That is used to tell people who you haven't been together for a long time or some time. And they reply with tumeze neza. It means we are good. How about you? When you say tumeze neza mwe or wowe, it means we are good. How about you? When you say muraho, they say tumeze neza wowe or mwe. Okay, so let's go to the second. It's witwa nde. Witwa nde or witwa bande, it means what's your name? What's your name? And in replying, you reply with nitwa Achille. When they ask you witwa nde, you say nitwa Achille or your name. I don't know your name, but if you were called Peter, you can say nitwa Peter. They ask witwa nde and you say nitwa Peter. That's like asking what's your name and they say my name is Peter or my name is Achille. And another one you can see is ufite imyaka ingahe. It means how old are you? But when they ask you that, you reply with ufite imyaka 50 or I don't know your years, but when they ask you ufite imyaka ingahe, they're asking how old are you. In replying, you can say let's say like you are 20, I'm 20 years old. In Kinyarwanda you say mfite imyaka 20, 20 is 20, or I'm 30, 30. You can say mfite imyaka 30 or mfite imyaka 40, mfite imyaka 50. You can say according to your age. I don't know that, but it's how we say it. Ufite imyaka ingahe, then you reply mfite imyaka 40. It means how old are you? I'm 40 years. And another one is utuye he or where do you live? In replying you say ntuye mu Rwanda. Utuye he? Ntuye mu Rwanda. When they ask when do you live, you say I live in Rwanda. Where do you live? I live in Rwanda. Utuye he? Ntuye mu Rwanda. Another one is ubana nande. Who lives with you? Ubana nande. Ubana nande. Ubana nande. It means who lives with you. By replying you can say mbana n'umuryango wanjye, which means I live with my family. Mbana n'umuryango wanjye, I live with my family. Ubana nande, mbana n'umuryango wanjye. Who lives with you? I live with my family. Another one is single, it's called murakoze. It means thank you. Thank you, murakoze. It means thank you. Other one is ukorahe, where do you work? Ukorahe, where do you work? Ukorahe, you can reply with nkora muri nigute. I work at nigute. Nigute is a company, so if you say nkora muri nigute, you say I work at nigute. Nigute is a company. So ukorahe, where do you work? And you reply nkora muri nigute. I work at nigute. I think that's all the important conversation you need to know about saying your name. What's your name? You can say my name is Achille. How old are you? I'm 50 years old. Mfite imyaka 50. Utuye he? I live in Rwanda. Ntuye mu Rwanda. And murakoze, muraho. I think that's things you need to know in Kinyarwanda. And about this welcoming someone, about murakaza neza, greetings in the evening, at the noon, and in the morning. I think you need to know all of that. That's why I gave you this video, because I think you need to know this. And in the next video, we will see about combined consonant part 1. Last time we saw about alphabets and told you I will give you combined consonants, and that's what we follow with this video. And please don't forget to subscribe so this next video you won't miss this video. So the next thing guys we will learn is about counting numbers in Kinyarwanda. You know, every language has its own way to count. You know, like when we say 1 in English, in Kinyarwanda we say rimwe. When you say 2 in Kinyarwanda we say 2. So if you have any suggestion or question about what you want me to talk about, feel free to drop it in the comment, and we talk about it in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss in the next video. I told you about that. And share, like, comment, and subscribe. That's the great and support. So umunsi mwiza, or have a great day. Thank you. Murakoze.